Now let's do that's the thing now. There's gonna be a lot of fucking things to choose. And let's go to the thermal. Now, this thing can we hide it? Whatever. Thermal load. This stays. The convection, however, we need to edit the definition, and it's here. There was a way to, what is all exposed faces? Right, let's take away this and that and this. Yeah, it's we're gonna select the negatives. I think I could have drilled a bit deeper. You see, it's like half the depth of the block. Could have been deeper. Might be interesting for. Does it also select these faces? No. Ah, amazing. Okay, cool. Done. All right. So these 5,000 at 20 degrees. Let's take 298, 25 degrees. It's a bit different than the others, but yeah. Right, what do we have here? Mesh eyes. As always, I want to take this. Yeah, that's good. Last time it was very dense. Let's take 0, 1, and 1. This can go a bit smaller. Yeah, that's it. It's just convection and a load. Then it's gonna be weird with the CFD simulation. It's gonna take some time, but you know, the more we iterate, the more interesting and more intricate it's gonna get.
One eternity later.
This meshing was supposed to be done already. All right. Cool, can we section here? There you go. All right, yeah. That looks okay. All right, we have both. Now we have this thing. We can run the study. Why can't I have both showing now?
One eternity later.
Okay, now thermal. Show me the results. And let's section this. Come on. Okay, very nice. So here we have 312 Kelvin on the sides. We might actually want to add some more of these. This is 300 Kelvin, so like 2 degrees difference. It's not so bad. And I wanted section clipping. And change sides. All right. Yeah, already by the time, like this has way more potential than the previous iteration, like a lot more. Obviously, like there's way more surface area. Actually, last time I checked how much surface area we had, and I didn't this time. Yeah, let's do this. I have 2,368 plus 15.71 times, what did I have? I think it was 20 by 19. 22 times 9. 22 times 9 is 198 times 15.71 plus 2,368. So we have 5,478. Is this more? Is it more? Let's see. Yeah, about almost 5 times more surface area. So a lot more effective. A lot more effective. All right. This is the part. Where's the assembly? Assembly. There you go. No, this is the block lid. This is the... Yes. Don't save. Assembly 2. Good. Okay, so we are ready for our CFD, which is the next video. I hope this geometry plus thermal wasn't too much. It's already pretty long. I will trim away some of the useless stuff. But yeah, let's see how this goes. See you in the next one.